Ladies and gentlemen, hello, how you doing? Morning Gardener. Got it finished up. Put all the garlic um, pieces into the soil, and you can see how they're in there. Just stick the blunt part in there. That's called the bottom where the root zone is. And I mean, they could be, you get them from the grocery store, they could be dried up and everything, but soon they'll start developing these shoots. Now these shoots right here, these started to grow inside the little cloth bag, and I had it sitting around, and I kept saying, "I'm gonna get it, I'm gonna get it, I'm gonna put them up." But this time today, I actually got them put in. There's some right there that's all started in the bag. Now, this soil is what I made. I make my own soil. I don't care about buying soil because I like to make my own. It's just a better deal. Again, within a few days, I'll start getting roots all over these garlic that I stuck down in the soil. And what will happen is it'll start to grow. And these little shoots that you see here will grow and grow and grow. And then you just cut them off with some scissors. And, not too close, but close enough to where they'll grow back again, about an inch from the little bulb. And they'll all grow back again. And you just keep growing garlic. Now, also, I will feed these plants. The soil is moist. Like I said, I make the soil with a little bit of peat moss and perlite, and that's what I did. And you can see these are 4-inch pots from Walmart. The soil is moist, not wet, but moist. And once these pieces of garlic start to pick up the moisture from the soil, it'll start to grow shoots. This is the Morning Gardener showing you how to get it done. Stop paying all this money for chives and that sort of thing from the grocery store that costs an arm and a leg. You can grow it yourself indoors during the winter months, fall months, and the spring. Grow your own garlic right indoors. Chop them up, and when you chop them up, you got beautiful, beautiful, beautiful garlic growing all throughout these pots. And you'll never have to buy garlic again. And not worry about anything like the government not selling the garlic, because you already have your own. Garlic is healthy. Also, it helps to kill all kind of pests that live inside your system. Garlic helps to kill that. This is the Morning Gardener. Keep your system clean of all kind of pests that live in your body. Use garlic. Enjoy your food and stay healthy. Use garlic.